Hey guys, Katerina back, and today we are here in my RV, and as you can see, I have my hat on, my gloves, because I'm going snow tubing. This is going to be so much fun. It's my first time. I cannot wait. So, yeah. And also, I will be doing another video on Christmas morning about opening up my presents. So, just letting you guys know, so be prepared. And also, I'll see you when we get to where we're going. Okay guys, we are here at the Dell'Osso family farm in California. And yeah, so let's go snow tubing. Okay guys, we're here, and there's snow right here. And I'm playing with it. How big is the snow?
Why is snow so sharp here?
I'm right there. I already got the meat.
You know what? It's okay if I can use the bathroom now. You're using the bathroom now? Yeah, now.
Well, it looks like it's more like a snowball than that. Oh, girl. But I did make one. So now we're gonna go and snow tube. That was fun. Wait, I cannot wait for snow tube. So let's go snow tubing. Okay, so there's snow tubing right there. And my hands are froze. I mean, it was wet at the bottom, so my hands like water in the water. So let's
Go, baby. Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, guys, this is so much fun, as you can see. And I'll show you guys where we go down. Oh, look, you're already going down, guys. So with the singles, you can actually spin around if you want, but with the doubles, you actually go whoop, 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 and you go faster with the double too. But yeah, this has been so much fun. We're gonna do this 2 more times, and we're gonna try and fit in a couple more times if we have enough time. So I'll see you guys at the top.
That's fun, Joey.
Yeah, have Hadia and your yeah.
I love this. I guarantee if you ever are in around here, you should definitely go and check it out. It is mind-blowing. They have so many activities. They have so many. They have so much stuff, guys. You're gonna lose your mind here. They even have snow for kids. Can you believe that? So yeah, I am having so much fun right now. And I think we're going to end the video. But we're first going to catch our breath. And yeah. I got it so good, guys. Okay. So we're going to show you the sign so you know so you guys know what the place is called. So if you want to come here and have a good time for Christmas one day, you can. I guarantee you, this is the best place you've ever come for Christmas.